Hello, my name is Paul Kimbrell, and that's my son, who's now out of frame. And I have been programming computers for, say I started when I was 9, so given my age, that would have been
55 years.
Go with a long time. And right now we are sitting in front of the first computer I ever learned how to program on. And we're going to try and fire it up, see if it works. It was a Kaypro 1, which according to Wikipedia, which is always correct, was actually the floor model. The demo unit used to tell people how the machine worked, and we happened to get our hands on one of these, and I learned assembly language, basic, really that was about it in terms of languages, but I learned a lot with this machine. And we're going to fire it up today, see if it works.
Yay!
See what we're going to do here. I'm on a short leash, Clayton. Can you hold that for me?
Yes.
Okay.
That's why I'm here, to help.
Well, let's go ahead and put it in your lap. That way you don't have to move around too much.
Oh, yeah.
Again, I'm really hoping I can edit this. Kaypro 1 was a closed architecture. Everything was built in. It was actually considered one of the first portable computers, as you could actually put the keyboard up here and lock it into place and haul it to the airport.
That's what I was thinking what it would do.
Business, Volkswagen, a business computer. All 37 pounds.
Alright, so the first thing I want to do here is I just want to fire it up. Just see if we get any smoke. That's why I moved the Chromebook over there, to make sure it doesn't get zapped.
Oh.
See if I remember correctly. There it is. Alright, here we go. Got a little red light, that's a good sign. A and B went. Kaypro Corporation, version 201. Good old green screen CRT, except this one actually has brains to it. Did the A drive eventually give up and say there's no operating system? I do remember that sound. It was a very cathartic sound, the hard drive running.
It's wanting you to put something in. It wants you to feed it.
Alright, well, let's see what we got.
No, that's not what you want.
I know, because it says do not use. My dad liked to label everything. Alright, let's see what else we got. Basic programs, GW Basic, Paul Kimbrell, do not use. I like to label things too. Alright, CPM utilities, Kaypro utility disk. I'd say that's a pretty good start. Okay, kids, this is a 5 1/4 inch disc. This held 360, 390K,
Maybe.
something like that. You can actually see where the data is written right there. Fire the sucker up. It's called a whoppy disk.
According to the Japanese. Oops.
Well, look at that. Kaypro CPM version 2.2U1. Yay, it worked! Alright.
Hallelujah.
Now, Clayton, one of the first things you'll notice here, there's no mouse.
Yes.
No mouse. What do you think of that?
We trapped them all.
Alright.
That would be bad. I think you just have to type in the things. It's not like our computer.
Yep, there it is. Wow, look at that. All these years, the thing still works. Alright.
Amazing.
Ooh, it did have graphics. Take a look at this. Yeah, that's right. That was the extent of the graphics. Inverted green and everything. Let's see if we can. I'm trying to remember how to use the thing. Do you use the cursor keys? Because there's 0 keys. Yeah, there we go. And this is hot stuff back in the day. Let's see. We can copy files, erase files. I'll do all sorts of stuff with files.
Hey, Arthur C. Clarke wrote 2001, A Space Odyssey on a Kaypro.
Yeah, to be fair, that was a Kaypro 10. It had a hard drive. This one doesn't.
Well, this was better.
Useful utilities. Let's see what we got going on here.
I didn't realize there was a
megawatts,
mouse.
megabytes.
Megawatts. Well, let's see. We can install WordStar here, but I don't think that's what we want to do. Let's see what else we got going on. DDT, I remember that. No, you got assembly language here, so brought to you by Digital. No source file. Someday I may have to go back and see if I can remember how to use that.
Hey, make a program. How about that?
Well, let's see. I can probably try and figure that out. Ooh, there's actually a program called CLS. An entire program that just clears the screen. Alright. There's auto start. Move CPM.